Ceredigion Museum is open, and we invite you to visit us once again. We are excited to be back, but first we must tell you about a few things. We have put in a number of measures to ensure the safety of the public, our staff and volunteers. Visitors alone, with a friend, family group or bubble. Details of how to book your visit will be online. If you are feeling unwell with cold-like symptoms, please consider visiting us another day. For the time being, we will be requesting you wear a mask. If there are children in your group, please decide who is responsible for each child. The museum and toilets will be cleaned frequently. Help us keep the museum safe for everyone by following the staff's instructions and respecting social distancing. We will be limiting the numbers of visitors in the museum, so check our website if you have to book. The lift will be available for one person or bubble at a time unless they need support. There are new and exciting exhibitions on at the museum, but for now, events and performances are on hold. Be sure to check our website and social media regularly for the latest exhibitions and guidance to plan your visit safely. We look forward to seeing you in the museum soon.